Hello, ladies and gentlemen. A very warm welcome to this live streaming of mine once again. And listen, in this live streaming, I'm gonna predict about the S&P 500, the US Tech 100. Yes, I'm gonna predict about the US Tech 100, the Nasdaq 100, gold, silver, Bitcoin, natural gas, crude. Yes, I'm going to predict about all these instruments, these things, this index, these indices which I'm talking about, the commodities. Yes, I'm going to predict about how they can behave today. Today, the 19th of November 2025. Well, today is a new moon day. So you need to be very careful when you are trading anywhere with any instrument, with any index, with any commodity. Today is a new moon day, 19th of November 2025. And those people who are associated with me, those people who see my videos regularly, they know that I give you an Amavasya day remedy, a new moon day remedy. So for those people, they must do this remedy today. So basically, I'm going to talk about the international markets, the American markets, yes. And those people who want to join my WhatsApp, who want daily predictions, who want daily predictions about my, US Tech 100, Nasdaq 100, yes, who want predictions about S&P 500, gold, silver in dollar terms, they can always contact me over my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number has been given on this video, and a weekly fee of $98 is required for you to join that WhatsApp group. So for 5 days, you just have to pay $98. That's it. So let me now start predicting about the S&P 500. So let me give you a range of the S&P 500 for today, 19th of November 2025. S&P 500 can trade between levels of 6590, 6590 and 6650. So S&P 500 can trade between these levels, 6590 and 6650. So this is my prediction for today. Regarding the US Tech 100, today I believe you can buy US Tech 100 at a level of 24,404. Yes, you have to buy this dip. Currently US Tech 100 is trading at a level of 24,586. My calculation, my astrological and numerological prediction about US Tech 100 is that US Tech 100 can be bought at a level of 24,404. Regarding the Nasdaq 100 futures, you can buy Nasdaq 100 at a level of 24,503. 24,503 is the level at which you can buy the Nasdaq 100 futures. I'm talking about the December contract, December 2025 contract. So this is my prediction regarding the US Tech 100, Nasdaq 100, S&P 500. And you can play the US Tech 100 and the Nasdaq 100 for 100 points, for a profit of 100 points. And don't forget to keep a stop loss, because stop loss is very important in trading. So S&P 500 can trade between levels of 6590 and 6650. So let's see how it behaves today. Regarding gold, I want to tell you all that you can buy silver first. Let me talk about silver. You can buy silver at a level of $51.62. I repeat, You can buy silver at a level of $51.62 today. Remain on the buying side, remain on the long side. You need to buy the dip. So you have to buy silver at a level of $51.62. Gold, I would suggest you to buy it at a level of 4088. 4088. So if the gold falls to that level, you can buy there. So gold and silver are gonna close in the green today. Let me tell you this much. It is a bullish day for gold and silver, both. So I've given you the levels, and don't forget about my predictions regarding the crude oil. I have been telling y'all that crude oil WTI can test a level of $55.50 in the next couple of months or in the next 3 months. So please keep that in mind. So you need to write down my predictions, and whenever I am right with my predictions, you may come here on this platform, YouTube, chat box, and you can just share my right predictions about a particular thing. See, this is not the first, I have been doing this astrology and numerology since the last 33 years. And I have been right with my predictions 80% of my time, 80% of the times. Yes. Out of 10, I have been right 8 times. So that makes it a success rate of 80%. That's not bad. Between 70 and 80%, it's not bad. So if you follow my predictions, you can definitely get some help in your trading. You can definitely earn some money. And if you want to show me your horoscope, like I always say, that if you wish to know your future through astrology and you are determined to live the best possible version of yourself, well, one must always try to live his or her best version of themselves, because there is only one life to live. There are no duplicates of life. You will not get a chance to live this particular human life once again. And if you want to enhance your luck in your life, if you want to boost your luck in your life, if you want to increase and improve your luck in your life, because luck plays an important role in the life of human beings. So if you want to increase and improve your luck, then I want to tell you all, I have several remedies for you. These remedies which I'm talking about are a fusion of astrological remedies, Vastu remedies, and spiritual remedies, which can be utilized by any person of any religion, because I believe that there is only one God. You see, the reason why I'm telling you this, that there is only one God, is that, the manufacturer is the same. That entity called God, there is only one God, because all the human beings in this world have the color red, have the color of their blood is red, isn't it? So the manufacturer is one. We all have 2 eyes, 1 nose, 1 mouth, 2 ears, isn't it? 1 brain. Yes. So the reason why I'm telling you is that, the names of the God may be different. Yes, it may be different. But the manufacturer is one. There is only one God. We may call God by several names. Some call it Jesus, some call it Allah, some call it Vaheguru, some call it Ram, some call it Krishna, some call it Durga, some call it Kali. Yes, Ma Kali. So that spirit, that God is one, but we may call God by different names. It depends upon us, our culture, our upbringing, our background. So that is all right. So if you want to show me your horoscope, if you want me to pray for you, because prayer can move mountains. So if you wish to contact me over you can contact me over my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number has been given on this video. My secretary, Mr. Kalidas, shall respond to you accordingly. So if you have a problem, I have a solution. Yes, if you have a problem, I have a solution. Because no lock in this world was ever made without keys. So now the next prediction is that about Bitcoin. See, I have been telling y'all since many days now, that Bitcoin can test a level of 88,000, somewhere between 85 and 88,000 before it starts moving up. So this is a buying opportunity in Bitcoin. I repeat that this is a buying opportunity in Bitcoin. And let me make one more long-term prediction for y'all in gold and silver. I want to make a long-term prediction about gold and silver right now in front of y'all. Yes, please listen to this prediction, this astrological and numerological prediction very carefully. Very, very carefully. My prediction about silver is that silver can touch a level of $40.40 somewhere between 30th April 2026 and 31st of May 2026. I repeat my prediction. Silver can fall to a level of $40.40 somewhere between 30th of April 2026 and 31st of May 2026. So around that time, you can see silver trading somewhere in the region of $40.40. This is my long-term prediction of silver. And regarding gold, I want to tell you all that gold can test a level of $3,608 somewhere between 30th April 2026 and 30th of June 2026. So this is my prediction. This is my long-term prediction regarding gold and silver. And I have given you all the levels of Bitcoin as well. I have given you all the levels of silver, gold. All I have already spoken about that. And I have told you all that if you wish to invest for the long term, right now you can invest in 3 stocks in the American market. And those 3 stocks are, one would be Meta platforms. Meta, yes, that is the stock which you can start accumulating slowly and steadily. Yes, slow and steady wins the race. Slow and steady wins the race. So start accumulating Meta platforms. Okay, the next stock would be Starbucks, somewhere in the region of $75. Yes, if I would say $72 and $75. Yes, somewhere in that region. And the third stock would be Robinhood Markets, somewhere in the region of $80 and $85. Yes, you can invest in these stocks for the long term. I have no doubt that these stocks will do very well in the future. Well, regarding Meta platforms, it is not rocket science that it would do well in the future. That's not rocket science, because Meta has been doing very well over the years. So there is no rocket science, but the entry level should be somewhere in this region. Yes, I would suggest you to start investing in meta platforms, and sooner rather than later you will see meta platforms going up. Even Bitcoin could be an option for you if you invest in Bitcoins. So regarding copper, see copper, and I expect copper to go up. See, copper can touch a level of $5.50. Yes, in the next year, in the year 2026. Easily. I would say that copper can go to a level of $5.50. Maybe somewhere between $5.50 and 70 cents next year. Currently trading at $5.01. Regarding crude, I have already told you that a level of $50.50 can be tested on crude oil WTI. So that is my prediction regarding some stocks, some indices, some see, I just started my this YouTube live session, and at that point in time S&P 500 was trading at a level of 6625, around 6622, sorry. Right now, as I predicted, it has already crossed 6650, currently trading at 6653. So this is the kind of predictions I give you all. I was live when I started this, when I gave you this prediction, okay? So see the level of, this is the quality of predictions I've been giving you all. So US Tech 100 also, I believe, is going to go up. It's going to be a bullish day today. I have no doubts about it. But at the same time, I want to tell you all that there could be a correction, a small correction in all these indices which I have spoken about during the course of the day. The American markets have just started, isn't it? Just 20 minutes it has started. It's just been 20 minutes since the markets have opened. So copper I have spoken about, crude oil I have spoken about, Bitcoin I have spoken about. So another stock which I want to tell you all, which you can buy, would be Microsoft. And Microsoft, you can buy it at a level of around $408, not before that. Don't buy Microsoft before that, please. So this is my prediction regarding Bitcoin and natural gas. I believe any dip towards $4.45, you should buy that dip today, or somewhere between $4.40 and $4.45. You can buy that dip today, and from there again, from those levels, from that level again, natural gas will start going up. So that is my prediction regarding the American markets right now. Okay, now let me just let me take some questions if there are any questions regarding the US markets or gold or silver. Okay. Hello Santosh Kumarji, how are you doing? Morning onwards, waiting for your live streaming. Okay, I'm sorry Santosh Kumarji, I couldn't come live today in the afternoon. I'm very sorry about it. Today was Amavasya, I had to go for some prayers, so couldn't come live today. Any chance of gold going down in the next 2 days. No, today and tomorrow is going to be a bullish day. Today and tomorrow it's going to be bullish. Not in the next 2 days I don't see the gold prices coming down. Dr. Narendra Jaiswal. Hello, Dr. Narendra Jaiswal ji. Yeah, I couldn't come live today. I'm sorry about it. Very, very sorry. My apologies. See, Sahilji, I want to tell you that today and tomorrow, gold and silver can go up. It's both these days, 19th and the 20th, are going to be bullish days for gold and silver. This much I can tell you. Possible. It can touch a level of $55. I wouldn't be surprised, Sahilji. Guruji, what is the long term? I'm sorry. If you have any questions regarding the American markets, or then I'm willing to answer. For the Indian markets, you can come live tomorrow. Mr. Sandeep Rawat writes, last 2 days we are missing exact daily levels of crude oil. You said it may touch $50 in the coming days or months. Please help with daily views and levels also. Many thanks for your support. Sure. SB Computer Skills, Jai Shri Krishna. See, if you have any questions regarding the gold, silver in dollar terms, and the American markets, you are most welcome to ask me. For the Indian markets, you may please join me tomorrow afternoon. I'll be there live tomorrow afternoon. So pretty much this is what I wanted to tell you all. So if you all anybody who wants S&P 500 predictions or US tech predictions, or Nasdaq 100 predictions, or Dow Jones, whatever. So any index on the US markets, they are most welcome to contact me. Even gold and silver, you can contact me. And my WhatsApp number has been given on this video. My weekly charges for giving these predictions every day is $98 weekly. So for those people who want to join me, who want predictions, who want to improve their trading, who want to become a millionaire and a billionaire through the stock market. See, stock market is a device of transferring the money from the impatient to the patient. Yes. So you need a lot of patience in this business, and don't treat this stock market as a casino. Don't do that. Have patience. If you have money and if you have patience, no one in this world can defeat you in the stock market. The stock market cannot defeat you. So you need to be patient while buying, and you need to be patient while selling as well. Don't be in a rush to buy stocks. Don't be in a rush to sell stocks which you hold. Because the mantra is very simple. You need to think long term. You need to think long term when you are doing a business. See, if you open a shop today, you will have to first buy the shop or rent a shop. Then you'll have to put some stock in that shop, right? And then you'll have to decorate that shop, and slowly and steadily over a period of 2 to 3 years, you will see profits. You may not see profits from the first year itself. Similarly, by that same token, stock market is also a business. You may not see profit instantly. If you are looking for instant gratification in the stock market, then this stock market, this business is not for you. But if you are ready for delayed gratification, then you can win in this market. You will be a winner in this market. You can make millions and billions in the stock market if you have the money, if you have the will, if you have the skill, if you have the tenacity to study the stock markets very carefully. Then you can be a winner in this market. So this is what I wanted to tell you all, and thanks for watching. I'll see you all tomorrow. God willing, I'll see you all tomorrow. God bless you all. Jai Mata Di. Jai Ma Kali.